Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the AliExpress support team by sending an email message. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the left side and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to contact the AliExpress support team, hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Help Center. You will now be taken into the Help and Support page. You can navigate to the issue if you see it listed or use the search box, but if you wish to directly contact them through email message, scroll down and then click on Online Service. You will then be taken into the chat page where you will be able to directly enter your query. Just type in whatever issue you are facing within the message box and then click on the send button. You can also click on the image icon to upload a screenshot. Once you send your message, you will get a response from the support team, and through this method you can get in touch with them and send them a message back and forth. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the support team for AliExpress through email. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.